This is the A minor 7 suspended 4 chord. This is a really cool chord to play whether you're in the key of G or the key of D, or, you know, other keys too, but I like it in those two keys a lot. So here's how to play the A minor 7 suspended 4 chord. Take your fingers 3 and 4, fret 3, strings 1 and 2. Then you're going to find finger 1, fret 2, string 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum 5 down, 5 down. That sounds really good if you're in the key of G. If you're in the key of D, and what's cool about it too is the A minor 7 suspended 4 is that you can take your pinky off and kind of just keep your finger 2 down here on fret 2 string 1. You know, then it's no longer the suspended, but still kind of a cool thing you can go back and forth between. With the actual chord A minor 7 suspended 4, you don't have to hold finger 2 down at all. Sounds really cool in the key of D. Or key of G.